Assalamu alaikum students. In today's lecture we are going to start our new topic, accounts of not for profit concern. Means ऐसे फर्म का अकाउंट जिसका मेन मोटो प्रॉफिट कमाना नहीं होता है बल्कि सर्विस प्रोवाइड करना होता है. अ फर्म or an organization its main motto is to provide service, not to earn profit. There are two types of organization. Number one, trading organization or a profit making organization, and number two, non-profit making organization called non-profit organizations. Okay, एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होती है जिसका काम क्या होता है, ट्रेडिंग करना, बिजनेस करना एंड अर्निंग मैक्सिमाइजेशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट. And the second organization is called non-profit organization, and their main motto is not to earn maximum profit but to provide services to the society. Trading organizations main object is to earn profit. They are engaged in a trading activities, that is buying and selling of goods and services. Organizations like sole trading concern, partnership, cooperative organizations, public limited company, etc. are the examples of trading organization or profit making organizations. They set up the companies, they set up the organizations for the purpose of making profit. Final account, which consists of trading and profit and loss accounts and balance sheet, are prepared on the basis of final and the final account is a base of trial balance, or base of final account is a trial balance. Not for profit organization main aims to give service to its member or to the society at large. They are not formed for profit making. They do not carry any trading activity or manufacturing activities. Sports club, charitable hospitals, schools, colleges, universities, trade unions, trade unities, then chamber of commerce, professional institutions, trust, social welfare associations, religious concerns, libraries, etc. are the examples of non-profit concern. Their main object is to give service to the members. They maintain the books of account in a different way. As their motive is to not earn profit, they prepare non-profit organization account, which means an account carry a receipt and payment column instead of profit and loss column. Clear है? In profit making business or in trading business, we prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Trading account is prepared for write all the factory expenses and all the factory item. Profit and loss account is prepared for record all the office expenses, right, all the indirect expenses or indirect income, and balance sheet is to prepare to check the position of our company. But in non-profit organization, they prepare receipt and payment account and balance sheet. Okay, similarly they do not prepare trial balance, but they prepare a receipt and payment account. These organizations prepare balance sheet to know the net worth of the concern of a particular date. Final account of not-for-profit concern consists of income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Listen students, in final account we prepare trading and profit and loss account. Why? Because they're doing a business for the profit motive. But in non-profit organization we prepare income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account are same as profit and loss account. In NPO, non-profit organization, we won't prepare any trading account. Why? Because we are not doing any trade. हम कोई buying and selling की activity नहीं कर रहे. We just doing or we just set up business for a profit motive. Okay, so instead of profit and loss account, we prepare income and expenditure account. Clear? एंड बैलेंस शीट आर सेम एज इन फाइनल अकाउंट। जैसे हम फाइनल अकाउंट बनाते हैं वैसी सेम बैलेंस शीट बनेंगी एनपीओ में। सेम one side called a liability side and second side called a asset side. Why? To check our net worth. Now see what is the meaning of non-profit organization. Non-for-profit concern are those concerns which are not started to earn profit but to give a qualitative service to its member and society at a minimum charges. The main objective is to provide social services and to promote art, culture, sports, education, etc. The nature of these concerns are different from profit organizations. Non-profit concerns collect income through subscriptions, admission fees, donation, etc. give by the member or non-members and grant subsidies or concessions received from the government. Okay. In non-profit organization, government provide concessions in other charges, right? Why? Because their main motive is to provide service to the members and to the society. Okay, यहाँ पे डिफरेंस समझ में आया? In final account we prepare for profit motive. In NPO we prepare for service motive. In final account we prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. In NPO we prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Clear? Only one thing is difference, one account is different, that is trading account. Final account में हम trading account बनाते हैं, NPO में हम trading account नहीं बनाएंगे. Okay? Now further we see what is the difference between profit organization and not for profit organization. Number one, primary objective. In profit organization, the primary objective of such organization is to earn maximum profit. उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होता है कि जितना ज़्यादा हो सके उतना प्रॉफिट अर्न करना. On profit organization, the primary object of these organization is to provide service to the society. Second, preparation of trial balance. In profit organizations we prepare trial balance. In non-profit organization we do not prepare trial balance, we prepare receipt and payment accounts. Instead of trial balance we prepare receipt and payment account. Next, accounting statements. In profit organizations we prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. In non-profit organizations we prepare a receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Net result. In profit organization we earn net profit, either net loss. In not-for-profit organization we earn surplus or deficit. Surplus means excess of income over expenditure. Means हमारी इनकम हमारे एक्सपेंडिचर से ज़्यादा है. प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इसको हम बोलते हैं एक्सेस नेट एक्सपेंडिचर ओवर इनकम. मीन्स हमारे खर्चे हमारा एक्सपेंडिचर हमारी इनकम से ज़्यादा है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? इन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन we earn net profit, either net loss. In not-for-profit organization we earn surplus, either deficit. And last, owners fund or capital fund. In profit organizations owners fund includes owners investment, that is capital plus reserves and surpluses. In not-for-profit organization capital fund represents accumulated amount of surplus, subscriptions, donation and surplus as shown by income and expenditure account. क्लियर है? अभी देखो कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलनी होती है उसके लिए लोग देते हैं, चैरिटी देते हैं, डोनेशंस देते हैं, राइट? सेम एज फॉर एग्जांपल एक जिम है, हमने उसमें एडमिशन ले ली, paid for admission fees as well as just other fees like subscription fees. These are the income for the not for profit organizations. Clear है? Now move forward to the types of receipts. There are two types of receipt. Number one, capital receipt, and number two, revenue receipt. First we see capital receipt. All such receipts are non-recurring in nature and not forming a part of regular flow of income of a concern are known as capital receipt. कोई भी ऐसी रिसिप्ट जो बार बार नहीं होती है, लिसन अगेन स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल सच रिसिप्ट्स आर नॉट रिकरिंग इन नेचर. ऐसे रिसिप्ट जो बार बार नहीं होती है, नॉन रिकरिंग इन नेचर, आर कॉल्ड द कैपिटल रिसिप्ट. ओके, एग्जाम्पल, स्पेसिफिक डोनेशन ऑफ बिल्डिंग, स्पोर्ट्स टूर्नामेंट, लाइब्रेरी, life membership fees, sale procedures of fixed assets. Capital receipts are either added to capital fund or separately shown on the liability side. Clear है? मतलब ऐसे रिसिप्ट जो अमाउंट में हेवी होती है और जो बार बार नहीं मिलती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, बिल्डिंग का हमको कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है या बिल्डिंग का एक्सपांशन करना है, तो किसी ने एक बार डोनेशन दे दिया, हमारी बिल्डिंग बन गई, तो क्या हम बार बार बिल्डिंग के लिए डोनेशन लेंगे? नहीं लेंगे. सेम एज इफ़ यू वांट टू फॉर्म अ लाइब्रेरी एंड वी गेट अ डोनेशन फ्रॉम द आउटसाइडर्स फॉर बिल्ड अ लाइब्रेरी, तो हमको एक ही बार मिलेगा. दिस रिसिप्ट्स आर नॉट रिकरिंग इन नेचर. नाउ सेकेंड वन इज रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट्स. All such receipts which are recurring in nature and represent a regular flow of income are called as the revenue receipts. ऐसे receipts जो बार बार होती है और as per the nature these are recurring, it's called the revenue receipts. बार बार होने वाले receipt, recurring in nature receipts called revenue receipt. For example, subscription, rent, interest received, etc. And receipt, revenue receipts transfer to income and expenditure account, capital receipts transfer to balance sheet. Now next one is types of payment. There is a two types of payment. Number one, capital expenditure, and number second, revenue expenditure. ध्यान से सुनना स्टूडेंट, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ पेमेंट, कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर एंड रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी सी द कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर. These expenditures are non-recurring expenditure in nature. ऐसे एक्सपेंडिचर जो बार बार नहीं होते हैं. The benefit of such expenditure are likely to be received for a long period. These expenditures are shown on the asset side of balance sheet, and balance sheet are carried forward to the next year. And the expenditure, for example, purchase of land, purchase of furniture, purchase of machinery, etc. Clear है? Capital means those are non-recurring in nature and a huge expenditure. बड़ा खर्चा, बड़ा expenditure called capital expenditure. Next one, revenue expenditure. These expenditure are recurring in nature. The benefit of these expenditure are enjoyed immediately. ऐसे एक्सपेंडिचर जो बार बार होते हैं और जिसका बेनिफिट हमको ऑन द स्पॉट मिलता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सैलरीज, टैक्सेस, इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम, पेमेंट ऑफ लाइट बिल, पेमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, पेमेंट ऑफ टेलीफोन बिल, कॉल्ड रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. वाई? बिकॉज इट्स इन अ रिकरिंग इन नेचर, पेड इन एवरी मंथ. क्लियर है? एंड थर्ड वन इज deferred revenue expenditure. Deferred revenue expenditure are actually as a revenue expenditure. Such expenditure is incurred for having benefit for more than a year. ऐसे एक्सपेंडिचर जो सेम एज रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर ही होते हैं, बट इन रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर वी एंजॉय द बेनिफिट इमीडिएटली, बट इन डिफर्ड रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर वी रिसीव द बेनिफिट फॉर मोर देन ए ईयर, जिसका बेनिफिट हमको एक साल से ज़्यादा होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एडवर्टीजमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर, राइट. वाई? बिकॉज एडवर्टीजमेंट 3 साल, 4 साल, 2 साल इस तरह से होती है, राइट. दीज टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर कॉल्ड डिफर्ड रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. Okay students, so inshallah in next lecture we further proceed to specimen of receipts and payment account and specimen of balance sheet. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.